And today we'll talk about the statistics, another topic, that is measure of central tendency. We had earlier done the measure of central tendency with the mean. We have done the question based on the mean. Today we'll talk about the question which are asked in the NDA about the median. So we will discuss today another topic known as the median of the data. Now what's the median? Basically, median is where when we divide data, it's such a person that we divide. Suppose we got this data here, we have this data. This 4 is the one constant where the half of the observation below it and half of the observation above it. So median is a constant. We divide the data into two equal halves. That means called median. Now suppose I got the odd number of this, then the size of what? Size of which item? Size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item will be my median. This is my median. Look here. Now here I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So it is the 5. It means 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to what? Third item will be my mean. Size of third. What third is equal to what? 4. Let me repeat. Suppose I got 13, 22, 30. I'll first of all arrange this either increasing order or in the decreasing order. Suppose I want to find out the median of this one. How many terms are there? There are 7 terms. N is equal to 7. Which will be the median? Median will be the size of n plus 1. That means 7 plus 1 divided by 2th item. That means the size of what? Size of 4th item. What is the 4th item? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 40. Therefore, median is 40. Now in case when we got even number of terms, suppose we got 32, 22, 32, 42, 70, okay, 67, 70. Now here we got the 6th one. Then what will be median? Now in this case the median will be, here are two middle terms. So what will, this is the third and this is the fourth. So if you have got the 6th one, the n is equal to 6, then we found the third and fourth. Third means the half of this, n by 2, and the next one is n by 2 plus 1. So we will find the median is nothing but the average of n by 2th item and n by 2 plus 1th item. This is that. Now here in this case, this is the 6 is the third and the fourth. The average of what is this? 32 and 42 and divided by 2 is equal to 74 by 2. This is 37. That's the answer. So when you find the mean of raw data, this is raw data when we talk about, then we find out this method. Now we go to discrete method. Suppose I got x is equal to 2, 3, 4, already arranged in the increasing order. Now I got a frequency. Suppose 10 to 15, 9, and suppose 2. What is the total? There are 38 total one. What is the median will be? Median is equal to, let's divide this n by 2. The median is the size of n by 2th item, n by 2th item, n by 2th item. I simply say this is simple. This is. Now 38, that means 19th item. What is 19th item? We'll find out the cumulative frequency in such a case. For finding the median, we will ask to do the column of cumulative frequency. That cumulative frequency is to be taken. That is 36 and 38. This is the total number 38 here. So that is the cumulative. Look at the 19th. In the 19th or immediately above 19th, that is 27. And therefore I can calculate the median is equal to 4. Is the one. So we find out this is it. A question asked in NDA is that which are the following measure used by constructing the cumulative frequency. So once it is asked in the examination, so what is the cumulative frequency used in the finding which of the measure of central tendency? Then answer is of course the median. Median is the one where we calculate the cumulative frequency to finding it. Now how to find the median of a continuous data? How to find continuous frequency distribution? How to find this? How to find the median of this? So friend, let me take the example. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Let me have the frequency 5, 10, 20, 20 says 5 and 10. Let me find for a cumulative frequency, we will have a cumulative frequency table 5, 15, 35, 40 and 50. The total will be also 50. In case of finding the median of continuous data, we have a formula. The formula median is equal to lower limit n by 2 minus cumulative frequency of previous one class divided by fm, the frequency of the median class, into h. What is the median class and what is the, how we find the, what is L? Here n is given equal to 50. We divide this n by 2, make it 25. Look at 25, or immediately more than 25, that is 35, and look at the table and look here, it is 20 to 30. This 20 to 30, they must be continuous. If they are not continuous, which is 19 here, 20 here, to make it 19.5 and 19.5. Remember this, they must be continuous. If they are not continuous, which is suppose 19, this is 20, discontinuous, then make a continuous by adding 0.5 and 0.5. Here is a continuous, no problem. What is L is the lower limit of this class. This class is called median class. This class is called median class. This class has been called, this is called median class. So we put 20 here. N by 2 means 25. I mean to say cumulative frequency of previous class means 15. Divide by 20 here. This is the frequency of the median class. And multiply h. H is the class interval. Class interval 10, 10 class interval here. So 20 plus me, this is 10 into me, 10 divided by 20 is equal to 25. So how we find the median of a group data? We use this formula. This is here it is. This is the one. Now what type of question asked? Let me take one question like this. Suppose I got a group data 0 to 10. Again same type question, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Suppose this question. I got frequency here 14 and there is a one F2 and there is a 28 here. There is F4 unknown frequencies. There are 15 here. A question asks us to find out what is the F value of F2 and F4 when it is given that total frequency n is equal to 100 and the median suppose say is equal to 25. I'm taking the same type of example as we done earlier in this case. I want to find these two unknown frequencies. So I'll find the cumulative frequency. 14 plus my F2, this is equal to 42 plus my F2, this is equal to 42 plus F2 plus F4, and this is equal to 57 plus F2 plus F4, and total is also equal to same, this is equal to n. So first equation I get 100 is equal to total is equal to 57 plus 52 plus 54, so therefore sum of these two can be found is equal to 43. First equation of two unknown. We need another equation. Here the median. He says the median is 25. Therefore, my median class is this. This is my median class. And this is given here 25. So naturally the median lies here. So what is the formula for lower limit is equal to 25. Lower limit of this is 20. Lower limit of this. Then n by 2 is equal to 50 minus the frequency, this is cumulative frequency of this is equal to 14 plus my F2 divided by the frequency of this is 28 and multiply by 10. Now I'll simplify now. So I got median 25 is equal to 20 plus my 50 n by 2, the cumulative frequency of the previous class divided by 28 into my 10. Let me simplify. This goes this side is equal to 5. This is 5 here. This is equal to 14. 5 goes with the 5. 14 is equal to 50 minus 14 plus F2. So I'll find 14 plus F2 is equal to this is 50 minus 14 is equal to, here we left is this is 6 and 36. Therefore F2 is equal to what? 22. So when F2 is 22, then F4 immediately is equal to 21 because the sum is equal to 43. So I'll find the answer by using this concept, how to find the median of a class nowadays. So we have the median classes, how to find median of the class which is both on discrete data and continuous data. Let's look at the one question. I want to say the answer. Question is, suppose we have got 27 observations and we have got 18 is its median. Its median is equal to 18. Then I want to know whether there are 3 more items are added into it. 16, 18 and 50. Another item is added into this. We have added 3 more items into this. Then what will be the median of 30 observation, not 27 earlier, 3 observation. What will be the answer? Can you find out? Yes, we can find out. Now 18 was the median. 18 was added, no issue. One side lower case 16 is added, another side 50 is added. The balancing is the same. The one in the lower side, one upper side, the median is unaffected. This is the answer is equal to what? 18. If I got one number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here, what is the median is equal to? Median is equal to 5. If I make is 1000 here, the median is equal to 5. If you make 10,000, median is the same one. Median doesn't. Therefore, median is such a measure of central tendency which does not affected by the extreme values. Less fluctuation by extreme values. Extreme values makes no difference. However, in case of mean, it makes a big difference. But in case of open-ended classes, and these cases, the median is most appropriate central of tendency that we have got into this. Central tendency when the open-ended questions are given or when extremes are given, then this will be used in this. Now I got another point is median is such a thing. We have got median is used, as earlier said, we use the median in case of there is a open-ended questions. Here we take another example to justify that part. A frequency is here. We want to tell here suppose a 5, this is 10, this is equal to 8, this is equal to 15, this is equal to 2. Suppose this question. We have got this question. I'll find the cumulative frequency this. Now this is 5, this is 15, this is 23, this is equal to 38 and 40. Number of this one question is 40. Now what 5 means? 5 means, what is the 5? 5 means number of frequency, number of persons. Suppose there are number of boys here. So there are 5 boys. Suppose I got these are the marks. Suppose I go take the example marks. These are the number of boys. Number of boys. They are also number of boys. What is how they are different between this and this? This 5 means the marks below 10. Below 10. Less than 10. Less than 10 marks. How many students are there? The answer is 5. I'm writing cumulative. What is less than less than 20? This is frequency. This is the 5. This is a cumulative frequency. That by 20 it is equal to 15. We added this. Then 23 is who? 23 less than 30. What is the 38? The people, the student were less than 40. And what 40? All the people have got less than 50. The less than. When you find a table like this involving less than, then mean it is this is not a frequency, but this is a cumulative frequency table. And we can make frequency table from cumulative like this. Well, no issue. But we can draw a graph of this. This is a graph we call. Graph. When x is equal to 10, this cumulative frequency is equal to 5. When it is equal to 20, it is equal to 15. It is a 23 here. And this is equal to 38. And this is equal to 40. We can join this when this is 0. This is equal. This is one type of this. This is called less than ogive. Less than ogive. This is the ogive is a graph of cumulative frequency table. Okay. Now I have another point to go. I can rewrite it in other form. Suppose the same question has been written in this form here. Here I say more than 0. In place of less than, I am taking this first, more than 0. Here I took the upper limit. I am taking the lower limit. How many people have got more than this? The answer is equal to 40. All 40. What are the more than 10 is equal to? This is equal to 35. I am here. 35. What is more than 20? More than 20 means it's just subtract here 15 is equal to 20. What is more than 30? More than 30 is equal to, okay, more than this is more than 40, and then more than 35, and more than this is equal to 25, and 25 this is equal to 17 here, and more than 40 it is equal to 2. This is the answer to go here. This is the one we have. The frequency is a more than. We can write the cumulative frequency table in distribution in two forms, either in less than form or greater than form. When I plot the greater than form, I got like 0, and this is equal to 40 here, and 10, 35 here, and like this I make the graph. This is a greater than graph, more than one. More than, this is less than. There are two ogive we can draw. There are two ogive, two graphs of cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. There are two graphs. Okay. One is less than, one is less than, another is what? More than. So when they meet the less than and more than, then they meet each other. This meeting point is called the median. We can draw, it is a median. Median can be found by graphically. Can be found by graphical method, which is not allowed in case of the mean. Secondly, median is also called positional, measure of central tendency. This is also called this one. Now, unlike rather, I say, we had in the mean we had n1 is equal to this, mean is equal to this, n2 is this, mean 2 is this one. We calculate the combined mean. We can do that. This is the algebraic operation can be done on mean. This algebraic can be done, but it is not true in case of not true in case of median. Median, we cannot make the combined median like this. This is not possible. Therefore, median has a drawback. It cannot be used for manipulation of algebraic manipulation. And further, we don't use in the statistics when we talk about the sampling and all, where the only mean is used because it can be used further in mathematical operations. So we have done median. Median is one which divides the data to equal parts. Hope you will find the question in the examination. Can be done without an issue. Here is the only one measure which is not affected by extreme values. Secondly, it is used for a cumulative frequency distribution where we use the cumulative. We have the graph, the less than and greater than, and that can be seen. The intersection is this one. I hope the video will find useful to you. Thank you.